Chickpeas, another great vegan staple that are so handy to have on hand for making wonderful, affordable vegan meals at home. They're really easy to obtain just about anywhere and are an amazing source of protein. We've created 5 recipes using chickpeas: a wonderful chickpea sandwich filling, a little like a coronation style filling but much better, a really easy vegan mayonnaise recipe made with the aquafaba, the water from the tin of chickpeas, some wonderful crispy chickpeas as a brilliant high protein snack with 2 flavours, sweet and savoury, and an amazing chickpea and pumpkin burger which you're guaranteed to enjoy, especially combined with the creamy mayonnaise. Chickpeas are not only a great source of protein, they're also rich in fibre, so are really good for our gut health and our digestion in general. And did you know that chickpeas are even grown in the UK now? So if you can source UK grown chickpeas, then that means you can enjoy them knowing that they haven't travelled halfway across the world to get to your plate. If you're using dried chickpeas, that's okay, but make sure you do soak them in water and cook them until they're soft before using them. And always rinse them before using to remove the starch. So, now you know what to do with chickpeas. You can try all the great affordable recipes on the Vegan Society website.